Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking to display some really precious memorabilia, then you can't go wrong with this shadow box from Tasse Verre. I dried these flowers for my garden and some roses that my husband gave me a few years ago, and I wanted to be able to display them in a way that was beautiful and artistic. And so I chose this picture of us that was taken several years ago and just put the flowers right inside with the shadow box. The shadow box is great because it has enough room for me to be able to put the flowers inside. They're a little bit squished, which actually holds them in place, but still displays them really nicely. The box itself is black and has a linen background on it. It's a little bit squishy, and it comes with 8 pins so that you can secure things in the box. It can be displayed vertically or horizontally depending on the orientation that you prefer. And the connectors that hold the back in place to the frame are really easy to spin and put back in place. The linen background is fixed in place, so that makes it very secure. I love it because it's the perfect addition to my wall of memories, and that's my point of view.